Hi, I'm Jessica. I am a part owner here at Makers on Main Street, and we are in Columbia, Illinois. Makers on Main Street is 60 vendors here in a gift shop that we all make handmade goods. I've been in business 8 years, and I started with the stencil signs and the parties, and when 2020 COVID happened, I had to pivot. I got my first Mira 9 in 2020, and then shortly after I had to order another one because the demand was so big that I needed a second one. So I have 2 of those now. And then about a year later, we established and I partnered with other moms to do Makers on Main Street. My booth is called Mommy's Design Farm, and I make a lot of interchangeable hand-painted decor. I went from stencil signs to being able to open the door to laser, all the things, the door hangers, everything. And I became part of Etsy, and I started doing maker boxes, all the things.